Sound.me. Sound.me is the easiest way to make decent amount of money on TikTok. You get decided yourself how much you want to earn, and the good thing about it is you don't need a bunch of TikTok followers to join Sound.me creators. With 0 TikTok followers, you can create your account and start counting on your earnings ASAP. Based on my research, I think Sound.me mission is to help sound creators trend on TikTok. And we use this privilege to do what? To make them trend, and they pay us back. So let's see how we do that. The first thing is go to your browser, type sound.me. Then, as you can see, you decide the amount you want to earn. With 1k views, you get 3.5 USDs, and 40k views, you get 140 USD, and over a million views, you get that 500 and above US dollars. And to achieve this on TikTok, it's quite easy. Anything you do on TikTok, you just I can just advise you to just try it. You don't know, with TikTok, things trend, crazy things just trend. Out of 100 people I know, 50% will trend. So just try yourself and earn some good amount of money. If you're asking about which country supports this, you can view all these countries here: Brazil, Bulgaria, Kenya, China, Cyprus, so many countries, including even US and other. Now here we are creating a new TikTok account. So what I'll do is just go to menu, add account, then continue with Google. Then I select an account. Okay, now we have a new account. Let's go to browser, select region. I'm from Kenya. Okay, then sign up as creator. Then continue with Google. Authorize. So at this point, you can see they say my profile is empty. So you keep on checking every time they give you sound that you will use to make a viral TikTok video. And when your video reaches a certain amount of views, they pay you according to the number of views you have. So we understand that there are so many people already doing it, and it is getting increasingly number of people who are currently doing the same. That's why you can't be lucky to get sounds to work on every now and then you log in. So it's a good idea to keep on checking every now and then, and when you get the sound, you do what? You quickly make a video and trend it using TikTok. This is what I usually do keeping people updated on so many ways of making money on YouTube. My channel is TechMidi, and if you like what I'm doing, just do what, subscribe, so that every time I have hot opportunities you don't miss. Like for these videos to reach more people like you who are in need of such helpful information. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. I wish you good luck for everything you're doing.